All right, y'all, we are gonna go to my local Tractor Supply and see what is going on with this DeWalt set. So let's do this. If it is that price and they have a few left, let me know what y'all think about it. Some of you already told me what you think about it. And like I said, I'm surprised I didn't buy the set. We got to go get the evidence, right? So I wasn't trying to be misleading or, clickbaiting or whatever. It was what the employee told me. So now I'm going back, first of all, because I felt like you, but I should have reconfirmed or had the employee say it in the video. So now I'm going to go back for you guys as well for myself, because I never want to mislead my viewers or make it some sort of clickbait thing, because I hate clickbait myself. I mean, the real question is, will there be any left in their inventory, right? Because there was only 2 when I was there. And if it's true, somebody else commented in the comments of the video that in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I think, I can't remember who the person was, but they said that some company went there and scooped them all up, and there's none available anywhere for a 100-mile radius. I'm assuming somebody would be like, well, you should have bought them for me, and then I would have paid you to send them my way. Extra $50 is still saved, because if it is true that they're going for $5.29, $5.99 online or any other location, I am going to find that out here shortly. A few minutes away, got a little traffic here. Okay, here we are. Let's go ahead and go inside. I'm almost nervous now. Let's go check it out. This is my local Tractor Supply. Let's go inside and see if they still even have them available. I don't even have to ask an employee. I'm just gonna walk up slowly, and I think I'm just gonna buy it. Right there, guys. Right there. DeWalt FlexVolt Recip Impact Combo Kit, $199.99. I am gonna get it. I'm not gonna pass this up. There's one left now. I'll ask the employees if they have another in stock. Man, I'm glad it's the right price, because I told you, y'all were making me feel like I was crazy. I mean, I was doubting my own self and what I thought I heard. Let's snatch this up right now before it's too late and someone else takes it. But look at this. Isn't that beautiful? This one's coming home with me, and I'm gonna ask them if they have more in stock. Let's see if it actually happens where I pay for it for that price. I don't know if I should be excited for you guys watching or what, but this was not here the first time I came. Hi. I'm making a YouTube video for my channel. She's about to ring it up. Am I gonna be able to leave with this for $190? Can I even put this up there, or you don't even need it, right? I'm just hoping my credit card's gonna work. Let's see if the funds are there and we can actually take this thing home. There it is, guys, right there. $199 plus tax. That's what it is. I had like 5,000 views on this, and no one believed it was going for $199. Oh, really? Do you have any more of these in stock? Can you check that? Thank you. All right, guys. Well, there it is. It's mine, and I'm gonna find out if they're gonna get more. Right there, real proof. $199. So we're gonna put this guy in my truck. Now I'm just torn whether I should keep it or do a giveaway. Definitely thinking about doing a giveaway. Taking this baby home with me. $216 with tax. What do y'all think I should do? I gotta explain this to my wife now. No, we had that discussion because her father is a huge DeWalt fan, so I mean, I could give it away to him or one of you guys. I might keep it for myself. Or maybe I could do that. I'll do a review video with these guys. This is my, I guess, my opportunity to share with you guys what my channel's about and what I'm trying to do here. If you guys don't know, right now I'm working on my logo, trying to make a better logo, which is in progress. And so I'm working with the designer on Fiverr. I'm working on my intros and outros to make them a little more eye-catching. I'm working on editing better. I'm just working on everything. I'm working on TikTok to kind of make TikTok and my YouTube channels work together, as well as Instagram. The handle on my TikTok is at Methods to the Madness, and so that's where I do the same thing. I do short versions of the videos I put here. I'm working more on my YouTube and TikTok than I am at my business right now, because this is something I want to do. What I really appreciate is you guys communicating with me, interacting with me, sharing your thoughts, sharing ideas, and that'll help me kind of cater to you in that niche, right? Tech, tools, DIYs, and deals, right? So I'm trying to refine that and make it as good as possible. Obviously, I'll invest in better cameras and things like that as the channel grows. All of you will really motivate me more and more by just giving me feedback, how I can improve, and just that positive and constructive criticism will always give me more and more boost. Oh, the lady at Tractor Supply said that what it is, it's just like a once a year thing. They're not getting any more in, and it's called Stock Your Store. The manager came out. She didn't want to be in the video at all. She just said that it's called Stock Your Store, and they just do that once a year right before Christmas, and that's the deal. So to the gentleman that said he checked prices online everywhere and the lowest price he found was $5.29 or $5.99, this is an incredible deal. In the messages, tell me what you guys think. Share your thoughts. I don't necessarily have to keep it. I would like to, because it's a really sweet set. I have a goal of trying to, my channel to grow and stuff. I'm not trying to use it as a bribe. But hey, it doesn't cost you guys anything, right? To like, subscribe, share, comment. I don't mind putting in my work, my blood, sweat, and tears. You guys help me out by views and likes and shares. And I don't mind rewarding you guys, because your support helps me come home and do work at my house, in my yard, and in my YouTube studio, which is in progress, right? Your guys' support, very much needed and appreciated. So let's see what we can do together. And the more I grow, the more giveaways I'll do for sure. I don't even care. I don't need a whole wall of tools or whatnot. Shout out to Man Caver Tools and Tool Boss and guys that have, huge setups like that. But my whole goal is to be able to help you guys out in return for helping me out, to come home to my wife and family and 4 children, and to be able to do what I enjoy. And I'm hoping that not only this video but all my other videos are showing that I enjoy it. I just need to improve upon it and get good at it. I never edited videos before. I didn't know anything about thumbnails. I didn't know any of this stuff 2-3 years ago, but I've been looking into it for about 5 years, and I just started doing it. The more I do it, the more I enjoy it, and the more I want to improve upon it. So if you guys show me the support, I'll see what I can do with this set or another set, or just going forward, to motivate you guys to continue to find methods to the madness. And in return, I just ask you guys to motivate me to find that stuff for you if I can. So until the next video, I only hope the best to you and yours.